Hello, this is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and I'm out here at the Raypak factory in California, sitting down with Gavin, the sales manager from Raypak.
Yep.
Thanks for sitting down with us.
Thanks for having me.
Well, so we're from New England, and you're down here in California. Definitely different climates here. What's the best product for different regions in the country here?
There are certainly different climates. New England, being in the Northeast, is typically gets colder than it would here. I actually live in Florida, where it's hot and humid. So Northeast has been typically a gas environment as far as heating goes, because when you think about the Northeast, you think about it's pretty chilly, gas heaters heat up your pool quicker. But then again, it really depends on your expectation of, number one, how long is the pool going to be open? You know, what months is it going to be open? What temperature do you want to set it at? Do you have a hot tub? You know, what other applications do you have going on? Do you have a spillover that creates a lot of exposure to the air that actually pulls the heat from the pool? With that said, Northeast has been primarily a gas heater market. Mid-Atlantic states, heat pumps kind of start, I would say, in North Carolina, probably in Hatteras, and then heading south, which is a mixture of gas and heat pump, kind of throughout Jacksonville, Florida. Once you get to the southeast of Florida or southern Florida, it's primarily a heat pump market. There is so much heat and humidity there that it's a perfect environment for heat pumps to work. As you work your way across the country, surprisingly, Ohio is a pretty big heat pump market. And then as you move into some other states like Michigan, Minnesota, kind of throughout the Arkansas area, it goes back to gas heaters. Texas is another mix. Texas has a lot of hot and humid climates, but it also has some cooler climates, you know, like in Irving, Texas, and things like that. It'll actually get some snow. So again, you'll move back to a heat pump gas mix. As you move west, you're going to see a lot not just having to do with the weather, but a lot having to do with what's called electrification or sustainability, which are requirements from Department of Energy. They're coming down onto counties, specifically in California. There are counties here in California where you can't use a gas heater. Even restaurants have to be electrified. So because of that movement, you're seeing a lot of heat pumps, electric heat pumps, from the west and then moving to the east. And I would say the Northeast, because the Southeast is already using heat pumps. So I hope that's not too jumbled for you. It really, a lot of it has to depend on what your expectations are as a homeowner and as a user of the product and for what the uses are going to be. Don't forget the pool heater sizing program also. That always helps you.
So with all these different regions, is there a good way to blend different heating technologies?
Well, you can do that. And if you have the resources to provide multiple means of heating your pool, some people will have a solar system established on their roof and they'll have some cast-off heat. So they'll actually pipe that into a pool heat pump and then that then returns to the pool water. We've seen other applications where someone has a pool heat pump, an electric pool heat pump as a secondary. Their primary would be a gas pool heater or vice versa. So you really have to work with your installer regarding the applications for those because it does require some more than your average pool guy installation because there are certain bypasses and things like that that need to get put into place.
Gavin, thank you so much for talking with me today.
Thank you for having me.
Awesome. And for more information on heat pumps or heaters, check out our website, easytestpools.com, and thank you for watching.